Consistency, the key to a well-managed classroom. Objective, teachers will be able to explain the value of consistency as a tool to a successful classroom management plan. What is consistency? Consistency is fair. It doesn't play favorites. All children will be disciplined with the same rewards and consequences that have been established. Consistency is respectful. Students have more respect for you when you follow through and stick to your standards without compromising to appease them. Consistency also is safe and steady. Consistent rules and procedures provide safety and security for students. It provides stability on an emotional level for the teacher. The teacher can easily make decisions when presented with a dilemma when they are consistently following established rules and procedures. Lack of consistency creates chaos. For a calm classroom, teachers must not deviate from their classroom management plan and techniques. Having a well thought out classroom management plan helps create structure and consistency. Students know what to expect on a daily basis in a consistent classroom. They know how the class is structured and organized. More learning can take place. A well-managed classroom has uniform responses to behavior and unchanging rules and regulations, which ensure that parents and students understand how the classroom is run and know the consequences when rules are broken. Consistency creates an effective learning environment. Students can positively participate in activities and learn when they have a clear understanding of the rules and procedures. A well-managed classroom provides students with a sense of security. Students feel comfortable and safe in a classroom that is structured and consistent. Benefits of consistency. It creates an engaging learning environment. Students quickly learn what to expect. They focus their energy on learning. Consistency facilitates a positive classroom community. Students will have favorable opinions of each other and of the teacher. The teacher doesn't show favoritism or discrimination. Being consistent presents fewer behavior problems. Students learn that they can trust you to enforce expectations and do what you say you are going to do. It increases the amount of respect they have for you, which in turn decreases behavioral issues. Consistency promotes a more effective classroom management plan. The more consistent you are with your plan, the more effective it will be. Reasons why consistency is essential. It is essential because student behavior will reoccur. Consistent reinforcement of rules and procedures will promote positive behavior. Inconsistency will promote negative behavior. Students will lose respect for you if you are inconsistent. If you say one thing and do another, it sends a message that you can't be trusted. Students will test you every chance they get when you are inconsistent. They will always challenge you and test your limits for the remainder of the school year. Ways teachers can be consistent. The learning environment is important to management. Display posters of rules and procedures. Refer to them regularly. These visuals serve as a reminder to students when it comes to behavior. Have daily routines for the start and end of the day. It adds an additional layer of reinforcement. It models consistency and predictability. Reinforcement is important to consistent behavior. The teacher must be clear with directions and expectations. Modeling gives clear examples when they have to make a choice about what is appropriate. Offer incentives for students who meet expectations, classroom or school-wide. Some examples of incentives could be verbal shout-outs, smiles, thumbs up, something in writing, parties, a movie day, dances, or etc. Post the daily schedule or agenda. Get the students in the habit of looking at the schedule and performing the task until it becomes a habit. Let's review. Consistency is fair, respectful, safe, and steady. Lack of consistency creates chaos. Having a classroom management in place helps to create consistency. Students will lose respect for you when you are inconsistent.